Got a quick tip for you today that I learned from an old painter back in the day. I always used to struggle when I was painting at home and you wash the paint rollers out. It seemed to take forever and ever. And he told me, it's because you're not scraping the paint out. So he showed me what they do when they finished, and they use a tool, a screwdriver or a scraper or even a piece of wood or your paint stirrer just to scrape the excess paint out of the roller before you wash it. Not only that, is a big roller can hold, I don't know, good cup full of paint, which obviously you can save and use on another job. Right, paint rollers are designed to hold paint, so you can imagine once you've been painting with it a while, all the fibres get completely kind of waterlogged, if you like, with paint. So before you wash it, it's a good idea to get it all out. It saves paint going into the drains or into the environment, and like I say, it saves money, and you can use the paint on another job or for touch-ups later on. And like I said before, you can use almost any tool for this: a screwdriver or your paint scraper, a bit of wood. In fact, the paint scraper I'm using here is a little bit harsh on the fibres, if I'm honest. But don't go too crazy, don't get every last bit out, because then you might find you are scraping some fibres off the roller into your paint, which you will regret when you come to use the paint next time. And once you've done this, you can just wash it normally in the sink with a bit of warm water. A bit of soap sometimes also helps get the last of the paint out. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, you know what to do, and I'll see you later.